Hello friends, in the series of BSc IPF, again today we will be discussing about indexation. That how a indexation is done and how we can take the benefit of indexation. Here we are in front of you with one example. Let's say in 2005 we have bought one asset at 2 lakh rupees and in 2019 we have sold the same asset at 7 lakh rupees. How much is the difference? This 7 lakh minus 2 lakh, the gains 5 lakh rupees. The important factor is here 2005 we bought and 2019 we sold. The rule says that on the capital gain of 5 lakh rupees, without indexation you have to pay 10% tax, but with indexation you have to pay 20% tax. So on this 5 lakh, 10% comes out to be 50,000 rupees. Let us see, if we do the indexation, how much tax we will have to pay. And for doing indexation, we will have to look at this chart, which we can get easily on internet. Central government every year they provide this updated chart, and in 2005 the index was at 117. So here we will write 2005 and 2019. In 2005 the index was at 117, we will write it here, and in 2019 the index was at 280, we will write here. In 2005 the buying price was rupees 2 lakh. So when the index was at 117, the price was 2 lakh. So when the index was at 280, what should be the fair market value? We are here calculating fair market value in 2019. So to calculate this fair market value, we will do cross multiplication. This 280 multiplied by 2 lakh divided by this 117. This 4,78 lakh rupees is our fair market value. But the market value was 7 lakh rupees and the fair market value was 4,78,000. The difference between this 7 lakh and 4,78,000 is 2,21,000. And the rule says with indexation we have to pay 20% tax. So on 2,21,000 we will pay 20%, which is 44,273 rupees. Without indexation we had to pay 50,000, but with indexation even the tax is doubled, but we had to pay only 44,000 rupees. So we saved here around 6,000 rupees. This is how the indexation is done. We have seen one example of indexation. If you want to know something more about some different topic, then please mention it in the comment section. Don't forget to write your name along with your email address in the comment section. Also, you have to say thanks to BSc IPF and SEBI, because only because of them we are doing this kind of sessions. These sessions are in 3 languages: Marathi, Hindi and English. Even if you want to learn the same topic in other language, you can just visit the YouTube channel and see the videos. Thank you very much for liking our sessions. Stay home, stay safe.